Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you read more information about the app in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find 3 lines. Press on them. And after doing so, you can see here in the list almost at the end the About AnyDesk option. Press on it. And here you can basically read all about the app. It's a pretty long read, so if you have any patience to go through all of it, you can for sure. But yeah, I mean, you have to have some patience for this to happen. But anyway, this is everything you need to know about AnyDesk, the version, the commit, the AnyDesk ID, and the license. So yeah, shortly, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.